you stop this until I'm
You seem good.
No, I can get
I feel motion is hard. Ask a lawyer. Ask a lawyer what is
question.
You know, I'm going to leave
the defendant are restrained by way of temporary.
So you're using your powers. You're using your powers as a
I'm not using my power
to threaten business.
Later I came to learn that the fuel which is actually being put in the tank was less than the order which was than the fuel which was supposed to be supplied, and I started complaining by then. They pressed an order for this station of lubricants of 5 tons without my permission, without consultation from my end, because we are supposed to make orders from here.
And when my people came in the morning, when I sent them to debrand the station, because we don't allow stations to go dry, they encountered resistance.